Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to sign up for the Beldex wallet app and get started with storing and managing your BDX crypto securely. So let's get started. First, head over to the Play Store or App Store and search for Beldex official wallet. Download and install the app on your mobile device. It looks something like this. Once installed, open the app. You'll see the welcome screen with two options. Use existing wallet and create new wallet. Tap on create new wallet. So here you will be asked to set up a PIN. Make sure it's strong. You can also switch to 6-digit PIN if you want to, but for now I will continue with 4-digit. Re-enter your PIN to confirm. As you can see, my PIN has been set up successfully. Tap OK. Set your wallet name and choose your seed language. I will go with English for now and tap continue. You will see a recovery phrase. This is super important. Write it down and keep it in a safe place. It's the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. Do not share this with anyone. Beldex does not store your recovery key. Don't forget to copy your seed and save it somewhere. Once done, tap continue. And that's it. You are now inside your Beldex wallet. You can send, receive and manage your BTX tokens right from your phone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you sign up, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto wallet tutorials. Stay safe out there and see you in the next one.